Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all? Yes, tell me, children. So I just asked you to post your doubts in Wise app. How many have you done that? Excuse me. How many
Sir,
have you
your
done?
voice is a bit low, sir.
I just asked you to post your doubts in Wise app. How many have you done that? Today doubt session. If you don't have any doubts, we'll move forward. So if you have any doubts, then we'll go for the circles. But in last class, if I'm not wrong, we just done with we started circles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, the last problem we were doing, I didn't really quite understand it. The proof in chapter circles.
Sorry.
The last problem we did, I didn't understand it in circles.
Yeah, same thing. That's what I told, right? So if you take a point Q on the XY other than P, so and join OQ. So if I take inside, it will not be. If I take inside, it will not be a radius, isn't it? If I
Sir,
take a
are you sharing your screen?
no, 1 second. Look at this. So this was a proof. So take a point Q on the XY other than
Still it's
P.
not
Sir, you're still not sharing.
I'm sharing.
It's maybe not sharing.
I'm sharing the screen. 1 second. Yes, from my side, some internet issue, I think so. Yes, look at this here.
Yes, sir. Now we can see. Yeah.
Yeah. See, shut up. What I'm trying to say here is basically if you take a point, look at this Q I'm taking over here, right? All right. If your point Q lies inside the circle, then XY will become a secant and not a tangent. You understand? Clear?
How will it become a secant?
That's what I'm trying to say here. Secant is nothing but what? Joining
When the line intersects at 2 points.
two distinct points, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Look at this here. So if I just somewhere here, so if I just draw this point and this point, you are saying that it is not on the boundary of a circle. Yes or no?
Yes.
एक minute. Can you see I am writing something here?
No, sir.
अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है? So before this, shut up. Before getting into that, let us go with one concept, and I think we didn't discuss that, so that you might understand that. So 1 second, let us go with that. Then we'll come with that. Okay. tangent. After that we had just okay. Basically we need to write few more points. Basically look at this here. For a circle, you write for a circle. We'll come to that. Shut up, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
For a circle and a line on a plane, there can be three possibilities. Possibilities. The first possibilities, they can be non-intersecting. They can be non-intersecting. The second possibility is they can have a single common point. So here, in this case,
It's a tangent.
yes, the line touches the circle. Take a third possibility. They can have two common points. They can have two common points. So in this case here, line cuts the circle. Line cuts the circle. ठीक है? हाँ. देखो we'll look at this. Look at this here. They can be non-intersecting. They इसको कैसा होता है non-intersecting मतलब देखो. This is a circle here. This is a circle. Non-intersecting मतलब this is non-intersecting, not joining. So you say this. ठीक है? P and Q. ठीक है? All right. Yes. Now look at this here. Yes. Now look at this here. They can be a single common point because these are this is a line PQ. Having a single common point. ठीक है? Here PQ line at a two distinct point. Okay, this is my secant here. This is A point and this is B point. ठीक है? Two common points you can say. So this is what called as intersecting. This is what is intersecting. This is touching. Touching. This is non-intersecting. This is intersecting. ठीक है? So tangent we learned. Yesterday tangent to a circle is what touches the circle exactly one point. ठीक है? Secant is what? A secant to a circle, a line which has 2 points in common with the circle. 2 points in common. 2 points in common. Secant का मतलब क्या होता है? This is a tangent. This is a tangent. And if I have this 2 common points. देखो this is 2 common points here. ठीक है? This is a secant. Tangent is a special case. Tangent can be number of possible. Look at this here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. And number of possibilities, look at it, 5, 6 number. A point can have, a circle can have through a point. By reference of one point, by taking the help of one point, you can draw multiple tangents. All right, you know that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can draw the multiple tangents. So the tangent is nothing but what? Touching circle exactly at one point. Secant is nothing but what? Having which has 2 points in common with the circle. Okay. Now 2 parallel tangent. Dekho. Next case is what? Let us write this. Write this. 2 parallel tangents at most. At most का meaning क्या होता है बताओ? For a given secant. Tell me, guys. Secant. Have we written the definition of secant? We didn't write. Guys, मैंने secant का definition बताया आपको.
Only tangent.
Only tangent. Look at secant. You write a secant here. A secant to a circle क्या होता है? Is a line which has 2 points in common with the circle. ठीक है? So guys, if you don't understand my handwriting, please let me know immediately. So which means it cut the circle at 2 points, forming a chord of the circle. By forming a chord of the circle, it does, it cuts the circle at 2 points. देखो इसका थोड़ा डायग्राम लेंगे तो ये होता है. Is a PQ line touching at 2 different points by A and B point. ठीक है? This is what secant. आया समझ? Any doubts in secant?
No, sir.
Next, we'll talk about this one now. You write here. Yes. Look at this. For every given secant of a circle, there are exactly 2 tangents which are parallel to it. And
Sir,
1 minute. Let us finish this and come for that.
okay, sir.
Parallel to it and touches a circle at 2 diametrically diametrically opposite points. ठीक है, देखे हम लोग एक बार देखते हैं ये क्या होता है. ठीक है, वो भी दो लाइन है. देखो पी, ये देखो पी क्यू, पी डैश क्यू डैश, और ये पी डैश क्यू डैश, पी डबल डैश क्यू डबल डैश. ठीक है, इफ आई जस्ट टेक अ लाइन फ्रॉम द मिडिल, जैसे ठीक है, पी क्यू लाइन. एंड लुक एट दिस हियर, देयर विल बी ए, देखो ये सब क्या होता है. ओ भाई ये क्या हो रहा है. Look at this. So here, every given secant of a circle, देखो these are the secants, yes or no? Yes or no? These are the secants, yes or no? Is there a secant, yes or no? Secants, yes or no, guys? Tell me.
Yes.
Look at this here. P dash Q dash a tangent होता है. P double dash Q double dash tangent होता है. These all yellow color lines and the middle green color lines also are what? Secants. देखो for every given secant of a circle, there are exactly two tangents. There are exactly two tangents. Yes or no? What are they? Tell me. Which are parallel to it, touches the circle, diagrammatically opposite points. Touches the circle, touches the circle at two diagrammatically opposite points. Anyone please explain this? How? What do you understand from this? For every given secant, every secant of a circle, there are exactly two tangents. How? देखो इधर एक पॉइंट बन रही है ना, इधर एक पॉइंट बन रही है, तो इधर से एक टैंजेंट बना सकता हूँ, इधर से एक टैंजेंट बना सकता हूँ. हाँ, so if I have 2 points, I can just make 2 tangents. ठीक है, secant will be having 2 distinct points, right? 2 points in common. So from through those 2 points, I can make 2 tangents. So that's what he's trying to say here. 2 tangents which are parallel to it and touches the circle at diagrammatically opposite points. देखो, if I draw a tangent like this, if I draw a tangent like this, yes or no? देखो इधर से एक tangent डाल सकता हूँ मैंने, इधर से एक tangent, ये पॉइंट है ना, इधर से भी with reference of this, with reference of this, इधर से भी एक tangent, इधर से भी एक tangent, ऐसा हर एक पॉइंट से मैं like I can just make multiple tangent. देखो, if you for making a tangent of a circle you need a point, that's it. ठीक है, you need a point. If you have a point, you can just make a tangent. Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
And yes, Anujit, tell me. Tell me. See, diagrammatically touches two opposite points. This point and this point opposite each other. Yes or no? This point and this point. That's what he's trying to say. Anudip, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, can you repeat your question?
So you are about to ask something, right?
Okay. No, sir. No, my doubt is actually about this theorem. I didn't understand the statement. Now I got it, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt. What if those tangents meet each other at one point? Would the secant form?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Like if like two different tangents meet at one point, then secant would not be formed, right?
Two tangents.
Two tangents meeting at one point.
ये एक tangent है, ठीक है. I can just draw. Of course, tangent से हम लोग secant ही नहीं बनती है ना. From tangent you want form secant. Tangent is nothing but corner पे touch करना. Through this point I can make this tangent. Through this point ऐसा भी एक tangent बना सकते हो, ऐसा भी एक tangent बना सकते हो, ऐसा भी एक tangent बना सकते हो, ऐसा भी एक tangent, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Secant का मतलब this one होता है. On a circle having two opposite and common points, देखो, ठीक है. ये होता है secant, ये होता है tangent. समझ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Yes. Just a minute. यार इस नोट क्या हो रहा है इसको? हाँ. Yes. What you was asking? Prove that. Shut up was asking. Prove that the tangent. We'll go through this again. Prove that the tangent at any point, at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. ठीक है. देखो, मैंने एक क्या काम करेंगे, पहले फिगर ड्रा करेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है. So this is my center. If I just draw a perpendicular line, look at this. Let's say this is a point A. If I just make a tangent, let us say A, OA. ठीक है. If I just have, now look at this. Here, C is a some point over here. C is a some point. Let us say this is a B point. ठीक है. कुछ भी ले लो. This is a perpendicular 90 degrees. We have to prove that. ठीक है. Here OA क्या है? What is OA here? Radius, right?
Radius.
OA and OC are the radii. ठीक है. Radii. Now can I write here OB is equal OC plus BC? Yes or no? आ रहा है समझ? Of course
Yes, sir.
OB is greater than OC here. Of course. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Of course OB तो greater than OC है ना, of course. And look at this here. What I'm trying to say here is here OC is a OC being a OC is what here radius here, and B कुछ भी any point on a tangent. This is a tangent. Look at this here. This is my tangent. Yes or no? You understand? Shut up. This here. This is my
Yes.
tangent. This is my tangent. On the tangent, B is up any like random point I took. Look at this here. Here B is any random point on the tangent. ठीक है, ठीक है. Here, and I know that, and also, and OA is lesser than OP. Of course, yes. Yes or no? देखो, and इधर से मुझे देखो. Now, if you just understand this statement and this statement, इधर छोटा सा देखो. Therefore, OA is the, can I say, OA is the shortest radii. You say OA is a shorter one. You say OA is a shorter one here. OA is a shorter one than any other line segment. OA is a shorter one than any other line segment which is joining O yes, look at this. OA is a shorter one, OA is a shorter one than any other line segment joining O at any point, joining O to any point on the tangent. ठीक है, so look at this. आपको इधर till this any doubts? Shut up.
No, sir, no doubt till here.
No line. So guys, OA is a shorter than any other line segment. ठीक है, OA is a shorter one than any other line segment joining O, joining center to any point on the tangent, joining center to any point on the tangent. हाँ, देखो आपका actual aim क्या है? What is aim? What is our aim here? To the tangent at any point on the circle of the circle, through that the tangent at any point, the tangent at any point on a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, through the point of contact. Yes. तो मुझे अभी क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? Shortest distance. We're talking about shortest distance. Shortest distance of a point from a, what is it? Shortest distance of a point from a given line is the perpendicular distance from that line. ठीक है, so therefore hence can I say now, hence shortest, shortest distance of any point of a given line, shortest distance of any point. Look at this, this is a line here, tangent line. Shortest distance of a point from a given line is a perpendicular distance from that line. Yes or no? आया समझ this one? So मैंने, can I say now here, hence I could say that the tangent at any point a circle is perpendicular to the radius. This is my, आपको ये पता होगा तो ये तो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं ना, ऑफ कोर्स आई कुड से दिस, यस और नो, यस और नो? हाँ,
Yes, sir.
this is one way of explanation. Next, एक मिनट, look at this. Just if you understand this one, look at it, इधर से देखो इधर क्या है, this one OB is greater than OC, OA is less than OB or OB is greater than OB. This is also correct. Can I say now here OB is greater than OA? ऐसा भी बोल सकता हूँ ना, ऐसा no, anyway is correct only. And can I say here OA is equal to what I wrote, and here OA is equal to OC. These are the three things which I can just write from this figure. Yes. देखो here B is what? Any point. I could say the B is also called as an arbitrary point. Arbitrary point means some random point and tangent. OA is the shorter than any other line segment which is joining O to any
Sir?
point on the tangent. इससे बड़ी वाले, this is what we have to put. This is what it this is what he was trying to ask us to prove. आया समझ, कोई डाउट इधर?
No, sir, no doubt.
हेलो, एनी डाउट्स?
No, sir.
आपको ब्रीफली चाहिए तो भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं, कोई ना, हम ऐसा भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं। देखो मेथड 2 में सॉल्व करेंगे। मेथड 2 वेरी सिंपल है, कुछ लाइक यू डोंट हैव वेरी बिग रॉकेट साइंस हियर टू अंडरस्टैंड, वेरी सिंपल हियर। देखो मेरे पास एक सर्किल ले लिया मैंने, ठीक है, दिस सर्किल, कुछ भी एक पॉइंट भी, दिस लाइन, ठीक है, a tangent AB is drawn and touching point P, ठीक है। now we can, देखो मैंने क्या क्या ले लिया, कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले लो ऑन द टेंजेंट, ठीक है, कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले लो ऑन द टेंजेंट, ठीक है। आई टुक सम पॉइंट Q हियर, दिस माय सेंटर, ठीक है, ये तो हमको ये तो पता है ऐसा, ये रेडियस परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस। नाउ हियर कुछ भी PQR ले लो, ठीक है। देखो मैंने फिगर कैसा बना रहा हूँ, पहले मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, फिगर पहले मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, ओपी, कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले रहा हूँ, उसके बाद एक टेंजेंट डाल रहा हूँ विच इज कॉल्ड ए बी, ठीक है। उसके बाद लाइक आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग arbitrary point which is called q. Arbitrary point is nothing but some random point on the tangent which is touching a circle at a particular point r. That's what I took here. देखो अभी ध्यान से सुनो, ध्यान से सुनो. Look at this here from the diagram. Can you see OP is equal? अरे यार एक मिनट, can I say OP is equal to R here? Of course.
Yes, sir.
ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ले लो कोई भी, ठीक है, फ्रॉम द फिगर, ठीक है. दिस आर रेडियई, ठीक है. ये क्या है? रेडियई ना, रेडियई. रेडियई इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ले लो. और मुझे भी बता दे ओ की ओ क्यू को मैं लिख सकता हूँ ओ आर प्लस आर क्यू आर कुछ भी, ठीक है. अभी देखो इक्वेशन नंबर 1, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 कैन आई से OP is equal to OQ is equal to OQ, OR की जगह मैंने लिख सकता हूँ OP प्लस RQ. ऐसा नो, मुझे पता है. देखो इससे मुझे क्या पता चल रहा है, फ्रॉम दिस कैन आई से OQ इज ऑफ कोर्स ग्रेटर देन OP. साफ साफ डायग्राम से भी दिख रहा है ना. ऐसा नो. सो फ्रॉम दिस मुझे क्या पता चला, इधर से मैं क्या कंक्लूड कर सकता हूँ? व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन हियर? What is the conclusion? Anyone of you? What we can conclude that any line drawn from the center, देखो, any line drawn from the center to a point on the tangent. देखो इधर मैंने बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनिए. एनी लाइन, देखो ये लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं मैंने. एनी लाइन drawn from the center to a point on the tangent, which is greater than OP. ये तो समझ आ रहा है ना. Hence OQ is equal to OP. इसका मतलब क्या है? कुछ भी पॉइंट, कुछ भी लाइन ड्रॉ करो फ्रॉम सेंटर से. If I draw any line from the center, which will be always greater than OP, which means this ये perpendicular वाली लाइन होती है ना OP, which will be always greater than OP. ये तो कॉमन सेंस है ना. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
देखो नेक्स्ट, एंड हमारे पास, हमको पता है, we know that हमारे को पता है. देखो ये तो आपको शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, we know that shortest distance of a point, from a given line is the perpendicular distance from that line. Shortest distance of a point from a given line is perpendicular distance from that line. ये कितना आदमी को समझ में आया? देखो इधर मैंने मैथमेटिकली लिखता हूँ. हियर देखो OP क्या है? OP is the shortest distance. Here OP is the shortest distance. ठीक है. एंड मुझे कंक्लूड कर सकता हूँ, देखो इधर OP इज शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस का मतलब, देखो OP क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर. किसके साथ परपेंडिकुलर है? ये भी लाइन के साथ. यही तो प्रूव करना था मुझे. यस सर नो?
Yes, sir. Understood.
हाँ, आपके पास look at it, tangent always touches the circle at a single point. and क्या क्या पढ़े हम लोग? tangent touches the circle at single point. It never intersects a circle at 2 points. Tangent never intersect the circle at two distinct point. It touches with only one point on the circle. ठीक है. The length of the tangent from the external point of a circle are equal. मैंने बताया था आपको कल. देखो इधर से गाइस, कोई एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट P ले लिया, इधर से एक टेंजेंट, इधर से एक टेंजेंट, ये दोनों इक्वल बराबर होता है. दैट इज व्हाट ए प्रॉपर्टी वी हैव लर्नड. यस और नो? हाँ. इधर कोई डाउट? इधर ये मेरा शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है, ये लाइन है ना, ये स्टेटमेंट है ना, ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो आपको ये कुछ नहीं है समझ में, लेकिन समझ आने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्टेटमेंट, नथिंग here to understand. Actually this is a very important statement. Shortest distance of a point, देखो shortest distance of a point from a given line is perpendicular distance from that line. From that line, shortest distance of a point क्या होगा? Shortest distance of a point from a given line is the perpendicular distance of that line. Shortest distance of a, I repeat, shortest distance of a point from the given line, is the perpendicular distance from the line. देखो ये होता है shortest distance of a point. ये point का shortest distance क्या होगा? ये लाइन से जाने वाली perpendicular distance. आया समझ? That is what shortest distance. कभी भी याद रखो, this is very important here. ये आपको ये statement आपको समझ में आ रही है तो कुछ भी नहीं है. आया समझ? Understood? Now I hope it is clear with
So
everyone.
your voice is low.
Now I hope it is clear with everyone. What I'm trying to say here is, इधर देखो OP is the shortest distance. Shortest distance of a point from a line. ये मेरा line है, ठीक है? ये line है. ये line से shortest distance क्या होगा? Perpendicular distance from this line. ठीक है? Shortest distance is equal to perpendicular distance of that line. This is a conclusion. ठीक है? That is why OP is the perpendicular to AB. That is what I wanted to prove here, and that is what my answer as well. ठीक है? Shall we move forward now?
Yes, sir. We can move.
Next theorem. This was my theorem 1. This was my theorem 1.
Sir, the voice is too loud.
This was my theorem 1. Now we are going to talk about theorem 2. Now is that clear? Theorem 2. ये क्या होता है? देखो, a line drawn through the end point a line drawn to the end point of a radius and perpendicular to it is the tangent to the circle. ठीक है? सर नॉट क्वेश्चन, ये मेरा थ्योरम है. पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे इधर देखो, a line drawn through the end point of a radius and perpendicular to it is a tangent to the circle. ये प्रूव करना है मुझे. तो डायग्राम कैसा होगा इसका? देखो एक सर्किल ले लिया मैंने, this is a center, it's a perpendicular distance.
Sir, is this basically a form of the previous theorem?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
very good. ये कोई भी AB a line, ठीक है, and Q is arbitrary point here. ठीक है? देखो what we have to prove, a line drawn through the end point of the radius. End point क्या है? यही end point है ना. P is end point of the radius, end point of a radius, and perpendicular to it is a tangent to the circle. वही है ना बेसिकली. देखो भाई ये कितना कॉमन सेंस है. हम प्रूव करना है, कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं? तो देखो, व्हाट इज द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द रेडियस हियर? P इज द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द रेडियस, यस और नो?
Yes.
P is the end point of the radius and perpendicular to it. ये perpendicular ही है ना, perpendicular to it and it is the tangent to the circle. वही तो है ना, common sense. देखो भाई मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ, there P is some random point which is the end point of the radius and through that point I'm just drawing a line. Through that point I'm just drawing a line which is called as a tangent. That is what we have to prove. ठीक है, मैंने क्या लिख रहा हूँ, I'm just taking here कुछ भी एक सर्किल ले लो, not a circle, you say that a center क्या है इधर, जीरो, वो 0, r लाइन, लेट अस से लाइन क्या है इधर, ये भी लाइन ए पी बी is perpendicular to क्या है, OP, ये तो पता है, just now we have learned, and OP क्या है इधर, रेडियस. You can write in your own words, कुछ भी इधर ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लिखने का. ठीक है, क्या प्रूव करना है इधर? टू प्रूव, ये हम लोग गिवन लिखते हैं, दिस इज व्हाट गिवन हियर, यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम. ठीक है, टू प्रूव, क्या प्रूव करना है? ए बी क्या है इधर, ए बी tangent
Is a tangent.
at P. This is what I have to prove. AB is a tangent at P. This is what AB is a tangent. ऐसा नहीं बोलना है. Shut up. Everyone try to understand here. AB is a tangent at what? At Q, P, what point? P. Okay, that's what you should mention there.
So, sir, the point that where it intersects is the point that we mentioned.
Sorry. Point we mentioned. Point.
The point where it touches the radius of this, any radius of the circle, on a point of the circle is what we mentioned.
Yes. Look at this here.
Okay, so yeah.
Look at this here. Line drawn to the end point of the radius and perpendicular to it is a tangent of the circle. इसका perpendicular ही है ना, perpendicular का मतलब तो टच ही करेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
देखो ये एक पॉइंट है. He is not saying this was about this point here. He is not talking about this point. Leave that point. He is talking about only the point called P here. ये point. ठीक है. So AB is a tangent at P. We have to prove. तो देखो.
Sir, your voice is low.
Yes, sir.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I think I have to keep the mic somewhat front. Once again. तो कोई इसको कैसा करेंगे हम लोग, देखो कुछ भी कैसा, हाउ डू यू कंस्ट्रक्ट बेसिकली. Here Q is a point. Q is a point. On the line AB. Q is a point. Here Q is a different point, not P. Q is a different point than P here. On the line AB. And इधर देखो, मुझे पता है इधर क्या है, OP is perpendicular to AB. ठीक है, and I know that OP क्या है इधर, OP is lesser than OQ. ये तो सबको पता है. और एक से OQ is greater than OP here. Yes or no? Yes or no? From this diagram देखो, from the diagram, either Q is what, lying outside the circle. ठीक है, Q is lying outside the circle. देखो अगर कुछ भी पॉइंट ले लो अदर देन पॉइंट P, कुछ भी पॉइंट ले लो ऑन द लाइन AB. Shut up, look at this here. He was asking this one only. कुछ भी पॉइंट ले लो अदर देन P lies outside the circle only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is a common sense. वही हमारा proof खत्म हो गया. That is what. Now what do you have to prove here? What do you have to prove here? AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent. देखो भाई, AB is a tangent at P, except point P, whatever the point you take. Except point P, whatever the point you take on line AB is outside the circle. Outside the circle होगा तो कैसा tangent होगा? Tangent नहीं बनेगा ना? Yes or no?
Nice.
आया
Yes,
समझ?
sir.
So what we have to prove here? AB is a tangent at P. We have to prove that. That is what the reason you can write here. That is the reason you can write. देखो, what you can write here? The point Q lies outside of the circle. I'm writing somewhat fast. Therefore, every point on AB other than P lies outside of the circle. From this we conclude that AB meets the circle at point P. ठीक है? Then hence AP is a tangent. AB is a tangent to the circle at point P. Yes or no? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Sir, once can you scroll up, sir?
Yes. Any doubts, girls? Girls, any doubts? We have one more theorem. We'll discuss that theorem in tomorrow's class. Girls, do you have any doubts, beta, here?
No, sir.
What about others?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay, children. So let's retire now. We'll discuss the remaining points in the tomorrow's class. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can just
Thank you, sir.
leave the session now. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.